What's up, carnivores? Zach here with American Smoke, and today we're talking about barbecue equipment, and the barbecue equipment that we're talking about is the coolest new thing to hit the market by far. I want y'all to tune in right now and listen to what I got to tell you, because I have got possibly the coolest thing I've ever gotten. This is the MEATER Pro XL. Y'all might have seen me using the MEATER Pro on the channel before. I love it. It's my favorite meat thermometer that I've got. Leave-in meat thermometer, and this is 4 of them. We've got 4 different probes connected to Bluetooth, so you can check it locally if you're around, but also you can hook this thing up to the MEATER Cloud. You just put in your email address, create an account, and boom, you're hooked up to the MEATER Cloud. You hook this up, it's got Wi-Fi built into it. You can check it from anywhere. They have really listened to all of the barbecue pit masters everywhere that already love the MEATER and the MEATER Plus, and they've made adjustments, little tweaks to make these things even better, even though those other temperature probes are already world class. Let me tell you a little bit about what they've done. Okay, so on your probes, we're talking about a smaller diameter. They are smaller, so they're going to go in and out of your proteins or whatever it is that you're monitoring much more easily. We've got 5 sensors in each probe that's going to allow you to have extremely accurate temperature readings all the way through the length of the probe. Another big advancement that they have made is the fact that this is all stainless steel, and the ambient temp, the maximum ambient temp, 1,000 degrees. So that means that you can do whatever you want with these probes. If you're frying a turkey, toss it into the deep fried grease, let it cook. If you're cooking a steak, right on the fire, man. You're not gonna get that little reading that says maximum temperature approaching maximum temperature that you get on your phone when your MEATER Plus or your MEATER gets a little too warm, you have to move your steak. You're not gonna get that with this one unless somehow or another you get your grill above 1,000 degrees, which is tough to do, but you know, I don't think you're gonna do it. But anyway, you can throw it on the grill, you can deep fry it. If you like to sous vide, toss it in the sous vide, waterproof. And know what you're thinking, Zach, I don't know if I want to throw that thing in the deep fryer, man. It's going to get all that cooked on grease, and then you got to get out the Brillo pad, blah, 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 try to get it off. Guess what? Throw it in the dishwasher, 100% waterproof. You can throw them in the dishwasher. That's probably one of my favorite things about this new, more advanced set of MEATER probes is that they're dishwasher safe, no problems whatsoever. Another, big thing is the fact that you don't have to have fresh batteries, man. Look, USB-C, hook it up, it's rechargeable. That's huge. That's so huge. One thing that I've had a couple times with my MEATER is that, in the middle of a cook, oh, Zach hadn't checked his battery, the battery went dead, you don't have a way to check to see how much battery life you've got, this and that. With this one, you get done, just throw it on a charger and then put it in a drawer. You're getting ready to cook the next day, throw it on charger. It'll be at 100% when you need it without having to worry about, did I get batteries when I went to Dollar General? You don't have to worry about that. Comes in a cool box, much like all of the MEATER products. Really cool design. Everything that they make is top shelf. Really like the design. It has a little kickstand that allows you to set it up so you don't have to worry about it falling over or nothing like that, blah, blah, blah. It's really great. I just wanted to share this Pro XL with you guys. It's on the market now, and you can check it out. I will leave a link down in the description of this video in the comments section. There'll be a link that you can click that, go check this out for yourself. Anything that I didn't cover, they will have covered on their website, so make sure to check that out. And also let me know, do you have MEATER products? Do you use other meat probes? Let me know what you think. I've tried them all pretty much, and MEATER is hands down the best in my opinion. I would love to argue with you if you want to argue about why you think a different one is better. If you want to step up your barbecue game, check out the MEATER Pro XL. It's the real deal, Lucille. Let me tell you. Guys, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. Come over to American Smoke Carnivores on Facebook. I'm in there every day. I'll see y'all in there. Thanks for watching. Smoke on, and I'll see y'all in the next video.